All right, how you guys doing today? So this part of the video, we're gonna remove this trim piece right here and the side vent. So if you look back here, there's a 10mm that holds this in place for the molding, and there's a fill-up right here as well. For the bottom piece, there's a 10mm nut right here that you have to remove, okay? And then everything else, and there's also a 10mm nut right here to hold this piece in place. Make sure you remove this one, and the fill-up, and the rest all snap-on. So it's pretty much, it looks like, where'd it go? So it looks like this. So that's a 10mm nut, and the rest is just snap-on, okay? So let's go ahead and remove the interior. I went ahead and removed the back piece already, which is this guy right here. So this one, you just gotta pry out this clip, and then there's a big fill-up bolt, and the rest is pretty much you just snap off. All right, so when you do it like this, when it's on the car, it's gonna pry it up, and it's gonna pull it out. Okay. All right, so once you remove this, and of course, you don't have to remove the center console and all that stuff. So we're gonna remove this storage box right here. There's gonna be a fill-up here, fill-up here, fill-up here. So there's gonna be about 3 fill-ups holding this place in piece, and then undo this piece right here with the clip, so this whole thing will come off. Okay. All right, so we went ahead and removed that the storage box right here. So this piece right here, hold it by those 3 plastic pieces and a 3 fill-up head. So just pull it straight up and put on that side. So next stop is there's screwdriver fill-up head here, and fill-up head in here. If this was on the USDM version, it'll be on the other side, but it doesn't really matter. Both sides are the same anyway. So remove that, and then pretty much the rest, and also remove this. So this whole center right here, you just gotta pry it out carefully. It's held on by plastic clips, and most likely you probably break 1 or 2, if not all of them. So just get that out so there's enough room for the top piece to come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this 2 fill-up. Actually, it's not a fill-up, it's just a push-on clip. So you just push it in, and it will just pop right out, just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay. And then this one right here. All right, so this is a fill-up bolt. Let's put it there for now. Let's pull back, pull out. All right, and looks like it's loose. So just carefully pry it out. Okay. And remove this. And if you see foam back here, throw it away. This is what caused rust. There's also a piece of foam down there as well. All right, and then we're trying to look for this piece in here. All right, you see this piece right here? This guy. Let me see. All right, you gotta open this cover up. This cover will reveal the nut. That's the nut right there to remove the molding. So get a long 3/8 extension, 10mm socket. This is what I use. And when you remove the nut, you may or may not lose the nut down there. So once you get the nut loose, get a magnet at the same time. Let's see, this one-handed. Nope. There it is. All right, I was able to get the nut loose. So this nut right here is already loose. Try to get a magnet and just suck out the nut itself. If not, then it'll just drop inside here, and it's gonna be a pain to get it out. Okay. All right, and this is how I got this nut out of there, and that little guy right there. Okay. All right, so this piece is loose, and the next part is just carefully prying it out. Use kind of like a trim remover. Just pry it out gently. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed. Okay. And then, there we go. And one more. There we go. So this is how you remove the little molding. A lot of people, they don't know about this one right here, and then they'll just try to like yank it out, but it won't come out. Next stop is this piece. So back here, get that nut out, the 10mm nut right there. Okay. So once you remove that nut, you can just pull this thing straight out, and that's how you remove the vent and the molding. And you could clean this up, whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So there you go.